I still have these annoying clicking sounds I can't get rid of. I tried to restart the game, it didn't work. I tried to switch to another server, it didn't work. I even tried to send this support to Black Desert Online on the Xbox One, but they didn't have the support for that. So I don't know what to do. I have to deal with this sound. It's annoying. I can't even play the game. Just want to know if anybody knows how to fix this problem or just solve this problem, because I tried every method. I even reinstalled the game. It didn't work. I still have this annoying clicking noise, and I just want to know if anybody can help me solve this problem, so I can actually play Black Desert without this clicking noise, because I never had this clicking noise when I played the beta. So I don't know if this is some kind of spam or some annoying noise spam. I just want to know if anybody knows a way how to get rid of this.